ever wondered what happens when a court gives a judgment and the person who has to follow it moves to another city? Does that decree or the judgment will not come into place? The person will not have to follow it being in another city, or the procedure gets stuck or he has to follow it. So in this case, what happens is Section 39 and Section 151 of the Civil Procedure Code comes into play. So hi you guys, this side Advocate Rishika, and in today's video we are going to talk about Section 39 and Section 151 of the CPC. I'm going to tell you in simple layman language what it means exactly. Let's start with Section 39. Now, if a judgment is passed against the person, or a person have to pay a sum of money to the another party, so the person that we are referring to here will be called as a judgment debtor. He has to pay money to the another party, and the judgment is against his favor. So, what happens if he moves to Mumbai? What will he do? So, in this case, Section 39 will come into place. And what does 39 section says? So, according to Section 39, we have the right to transfer the decree from one court to another court under which the jurisdiction lies, where the person is staying. So, Section 39 gives the court the power to transfer the decree to the another court where the jurisdiction lies. In what cases Section 39 can be implied? So, if the judgment debtor has moved to another city, if he has, or he's working there, or if he has his property over there in another city, and any other reason which the court finds valid, accordingly, the court can transfer the decree to the another court. This is Section 39. Now, let's come to Section 151 of the Civil Procedure Code. What it says in Section 151 CPC, the court is given the inheritance power. The court can take any action which is required to prevent delay in justice and to prevent the misuse of legal practice and to make sure that the justice is delivered. So here we always use Section 39 read with Section 151. So Section 39 is the structure and Section 151 ensures the justice within the structure. So let's take an example now. If you win a case and the person who has to pay you money moves to another city. Now what you do? You go to the court and you request the judge by putting an application under Section 39 read with Section 151 where you request the judge that please allow please issue us a certificate of transfer decree because the judgment debtor is residing in another address. He has moved to the another city. So that is when we file an application of Section 39 read with Section 151 CPC. Also, even I went to the court day before yesterday and I had the same matter. The judgment debtor have moved to another city, because of which we have to put the application of Section 39 151 and ask the judge to accept the application. So the judgment debtor can repay the amount that he has to pay to us. So that was all for this video. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do it legally. Thank you.